Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we're going to learn how to do a quantity takeoff of the rebar by method number 2. Okay, so method number 1 we have done it, and now we're going to the O2 based on the another detail. Okay, I have a copy from another villa, okay, that have the detail of the rebar is quite different from our modern rebar that we are learning right now. Okay, so let's go straight to the detail. So here's the rebar detail that they provide for us. As you can see, it's different from the previous one. There's 2 layers of it. So for this one is let's do it as the additional way to do a rebar work of the slab. Okay, so we have 1 layer here. As you can see, there are 2 lines of rebar crossing each other. Then and there will be another 1 layer here, so there will be 2 layers, 1 and 2 layers, okay, crossing each other. Perfect. So now you can see this one is different from the previous one. Previous one they give us is only the data of the rebar only without the line how to array it. Okay, for this one it's quite different, as you can see. So what we're gonna do, okay, so our tool have everything. As I can show you right here, there's so many type of it, as you can see. So whatever the detail is, we can do all of it. Okay, so we use our tool based on the detail of the design. Okay, be flexible. Okay, sometimes you need to add column, sometimes you need to adjust, as I have shown you in the stem column. It can be square, rectangle, circle. We have everything in there. Okay, perfect. So if you have anything like question, you can put it in the group. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's start. As you can see, so this detail is quite different. Make sure that the rebar name itself is format like that. Not if our name is not format like that, our tool will not detect the data. Okay, make sure that it's D at the front and the side itself is D10 and A at 200 millimeter. All right, perfect. Sorry. Okay, let's start. Now we put our right here, and now we go to rebar slab. As you can see, now at the top there will be cut length, L shape, and V shape rebar. Based on our detail, there will be a V shape. As you can see here, it's bending X side from that side and this side. This one is a cut, but there should be a V shape. Okay, so let's pick V shape or U shape, and now we put the thickness of the slab. I think, do we have the signal here? Okay, that will be 120 millimeter. So you have 120 millimeter and enter. Perfect. And now what we need to do is pick name. As you can see, please pick rebar name. Okay, here. Now we go for the horizontal first. And now you click. Please pick start point for the laying bar. As you can see, the bar itself, and pick end point of the laying bar. So the red line is the length of the bar, you can see. And now it's told to pick start point for the laying bar array, basically where this bar is running. Okay, as you can see, so it's running from this side array from here to here, as you can see. Perfect. As you can see, now we got the quantity automatically. As you can see, 696 kg. You see, it's really simple, fast, and accurate. Save a lot of time, like 80% of your time, you know. Perfect. You do the same for another. You click escape and you enter again and input the thickness. Now we go for the another one here. Okay, select on it, pick the line of the red bar is the bar rebar itself. Pick top point, as you can see, and pick another 2 point of the rebar array. You can see, and here, as you can see, cover we keep 25 as before. Okay, and now you do the same. Escape, enter. As you can see, It's really that simple. Click 2 point, click the length of it array itself, as you can see. Boom, we got another quantity. It's really that simple, you can see. You escape, enter, and enter again. Okay, and click the name, 2 point, length of the bar, 2 point, length of the rebar itself array 2. Okay, you can see. Escape, enter, and enter again. 2 point again. The array or rebar, you can see. Escape, enter, and enter again. So I want to show you one by one. You can continue it as well, but I don't want it because it can be understanding. Okay, so just follow mine. After you done one, escape, enter, and enter, and now you can start the command again. Okay, it's really that simple. As you can see, it's like saving like 80% of the time, you know. I love this tool. I have used it like around 7 years already, more than 7 years. Okay, okay, now you pick the tool. As you can see, so now above is all done. The red at the red area basically it shows us that we are done. Okay, so the remaining one is right here. You can see it's really useful. Okay, and now you do the same. Enter. You can see, so we do the same thing based on our detail. You can see escape, enter, and enter. Pick the name, pick the length of the rebar itself, and then you pick the gap that it's array to. Escape again. Perfect. You can see, escape again, enter. You can see, so now you can see it's all done. It's become the big red. You can see, so it's all done. If you want to double check it, you can see select all of it and then choose Auto Pro and then find your team. Perfect. As you can see, so it shows exactly where is the rebar and where is the array itself. So we have finished everything for one layer at the slab bottom reinforcement, as you can see, and for another it's the same. Okay, for the top reinforcement rebar is the same as the bottom one, as you can see. So I don't want the video is too long for you guys because it's the same thing, the same method. You just do step by step as I mentioned or show for the slab bottom reinforcement, and you will get the time for the top one more layer as well. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you guys for the next lesson.